Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share this yummy roasted shrimp veggie salad with you. I made this for the first time today and my husband loves it. Best salad ever. I will show you how. Here are my ingredients. First, of course, let's cut our vegetables. Be sure all your veggies are washed. Next, spread cut vegetables on baking sheet. Let's drizzle in olive oil and sprinkle with salt, ground black pepper, chili powder, and oregano, or season to your preference. Preheat oven to 400° Fahrenheit. Bake for 10 minutes. Next, move veggies to the side to make space in the center of the baking sheet and add shrimp in a single layer. Let's drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt, ground black pepper, oregano, chili powder, and lemon juice or lime. Bake for 5 to 8 minutes. Let's prepare the dressing. Combine olive oil, honey, salt, ground black pepper, chili powder, lemon juice in a small bowl and stir until well combined. Next, in a large salad bowl, let's combine mixed greens, roasted shrimp, and veggies. And let's drizzle our dressing over salad. And toss. I have found my new favorite salad. This was crazy, easy to make, and packed with flavor. Super delicious. Recipe is easy and perfect. It's very light but still very filling. I will certainly make this again and again. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help. And please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.